I go by the name of John from johnmcneil.com, and in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to make $100 per week. Now, contrary to popular opinion, making $100 a week is very easy and very simple to do. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can deploy these strategies to make $100 a week. And we're going to start right now. All right, guys, John from johnmcneil.com here, and we're going to be showing you two different websites today that will help you make $100 a week. And so if you follow these steps that I'm going to lay out for you, there's no reason why you can't actually start generating at minimum $100 a week. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the first website we're going to be looking at is this website called Easy Hits for You. And it's a traffic exchange that internet marketers, affiliate marketers, home business people use to promote their websites. So basically, if I log into here, I'll show you how the site works. Basically, people surf for credits. So if I wanted to promote my business and I need to get credits, right? So in order to get credits, I need to actually click on these little surfing sites, and I would need to go on here and for 15 seconds stay on this website and look at it or not, and just wait till my time runs out. And once my time runs out, I basically can get a credit, right? So I got a half of a penny of credit. So what people are doing, or what people are banking on, is the more you have credits, the more you can actually promote your website, right? So a lot of these people on here, they're trying to surf as many websites as they can to get as many credits as they can so that they can show their website. And the thing is, if you have a compelling website, or if you have a compelling squeeze page, preferably a video squeeze page, or some sort of site that has a compelling video message on it, you will definitely grab a percentage of the people in here surfing, because they're all in here and they're trying to make money online. So what you have to do is, the majority of the people that are in here surfing aren't really making money. So if you can kind of talk directly to these people and get them interested in your website, you have a good chance of getting them to opt into your squeeze page, or just buying straight from like an affiliate link. So I'm just going to show you. So like you can actually, once you sign up for free, you can actually put in like all your different websites. So I have websites in here, and then as you surf credits, your credits will show up here, and then I can assign my credits to any of my websites, right? So if I spent an hour surfing, I could get credits. Or 2 hours surfing, you can get credits. And then say I have 50 credits, so then I can assign 50 credits to one website, or I can divide those credits up to multiple websites. And once those credits are assigned, then my website will go into the rotation, and in hopes that somebody will find my website compelling enough for them to either opt into my squeeze page, or go over to the sales page if it's just a straight affiliate link, and buy what I have. Now you can also, if you don't want to spend time like clicking on here and like actually surfing, or waiting the 10 seconds for this website to come up that's not even coming up. Okay, here we go. So like, again, you're just sitting here, you're waiting your 15 seconds just to get it says 18 minus 8, 10, and then they make you like answer little questions, and then okay, here's this guy, he has a video squeeze page, but you got to wait 34 seconds for this, but you may get, a lot of, credits. But he has a video, so he's trying to like, really reach out to these people. Are you employed? Discover how you can get a pay increase, right? So anyway, what I'm trying to get you guys to see, so now I have 2 credits and I can actually apply that to one of my websites. But what I want to get you guys to see is that if you hustle on this website, now you can either do the surfing yourself, just do this in front of the TV, or you can just go over here and buy credits because they're not that expensive. So for instance, you can get 7,000 credits for $37, but you can even go cheaper and just say if you wanted 1,000 credits. So you know that your website will be viewed 1,000 times for $5.95, right? And then they have these other packages too, but again, it is kind of a numbers game because everybody's in here just trying to promote their website, and then like the person that has the most credits to use will show up in, I guess, the credit reel, you would say. So what you want to do is either, spend time surfing or just buying credits, and then just displaying your website. But again, if you're going to use this website, you definitely want to use some sort of compelling videos to really like capture the attention of the people on this site, because you got to think that the majority of them are just trying to get credit so they can promote their site, but a lot of them aren't making any money. So if you have a compelling website and you can talk directly to these people, you can absolutely get opt-ins, you can absolutely get sales. I've done it, I've tracked it, so you can do it too. So that was the first website. So the second website I wanted to show you is a List Joe, which is kind of what they call it's kind of like a list building website. I think they really call it like a safe list is the actual technical term. And it's similar in that you can mail out, just to sign up. You sign up for this thing for free, and you can send out an email to 1,000 home-based business owners right away. Right in like 5 minutes of signing up. They allow you to sign up with people that are interested in making money online, and you can send that out. So every 7 days, you have the option to send out to, up to 1,000 people, depending on how many credits you get. Now, just like easy hits for you, you're going to have to click on ads, but these ads come within like an email. So if you're going to use this site, you definitely want to sign up for like an email that it's not your primary email, because you're going to get a lot of emails from other users in here. So you want to use just like a kind of a garbage email. But it's a similar situation where people are mailing out to thousands of people every day trying to promote their website. And you can do the same thing too. Now, when you first sign up, you have the option to either send out to 1,000 people every 7 days, or you can upgrade. They have like a gold package where you can get, I want to say it's 3,000 people every 3 days, and you can get some other sponsored ads or something like that. But essentially what happens is, once you sign up for free, all you have to do is go over here to send mail, and then go to send mail again. And then you actually can go down here. You can see that I have 1,000 credits, and then I can actually write an ad. So I can put like where my ad, like I can put a website here of where I want to send the ad to. I can put my subject line in here, and then I can type out an email, and then I can just send it, and instantly your email will be delivered to 1,000 recipients within this List Joe website. Now, you won't be able to send again for another 7 days. And I think even within that 7 days, you have to be clicking on other people's emails and garnering points so that you can send again in the next 7 days. So these are free strategies, but you have to work it. You have to be like consistently working these sites so that you can get credits, or you just go over here and you buy a solo, right? You can buy solos, and then you can just send stuff out. Now, there's other sites like List Joe. If you go over here to where it says other list builders, and then it has recommended list builders, you can go down here and you can actually see like a ton of different websites. They all work the same. Viral URL is another good one. I've used that one in the past, but it's all the same, and you can sign up for most of these websites absolutely free, and they usually give you like, mail out to 1,000 or 2,000 people every 6 or 7 days. And you can actually set yourself up on a kind of a schedule where you sign up for all of these websites, and you're sending out to different websites every 7 days, and you're being very organized, and you got everything laid out. And the point is if you work this strategy, the safe list and the exchanges, like with Easy Hits for You can get a ton of free traffic to your website. And if you have compelling, links like websites, squeeze pages, videos, landing pages or whatever, you can absolutely get, opt-ins, and you can absolutely get some sales. It's very easy to do this to make $100 a week if you're working these two websites, right? So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you did, and make sure you subscribe to the channel at the blue little John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and let me know what you think about this method, guys. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you plan on signing up for these websites, or if you plan on doing it at all. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.